Soil pollution. Earth, the planet we live in, is made up of 4 different parts that are called spheres: lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Between them, they contain all the stuff on our planet, from fish in the ocean to the air we breathe. Over the years, due to various human activities like massive industrialization, construction, transportation and agriculture, the composition of environment became imbalanced. We get everything for our living from soil, don't we? Soil is one of the 3 major natural resources alongside air and water. Soil is made up of minerals and decomposed organic matter. Soil creates a habitat for fungi, bacteria and related organisms, which in turn feed and support plant life. How is soil formed? Many factors such as climate, topography, living organism and types of parent material contribute in its formation. Do you know, in 1 acre of land where the topsoil is 8 inches thick, there exists nearly 5.5 tons of bacteria and 50,000 earthworms. Physical properties of soil. Soil comprises of minerals, organic matter, water and air. The composition and proportion of these components greatly influence physical properties of soil, including color, texture, structure and porosity. Organic matter is the organic component of soil, which includes the residues of dead plants, animals and organisms. It consists of nutrients necessary for plant growth such as nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Chemical properties of soil. The term pH is used to indicate the level of acidity or alkalinity of a soil. The range of pH values of good soil lies between 5.5 to 7.5. Availability of plant nutrients is strongly tied to the pH in soil. Biological properties of soil. Major microbial groups in soil are bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Soil microbes have influence in controlling the quantities and forms of various chemical elements found in soil. Most notable are the cycles of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus, all of which are elements important in soil fertility. Soil serves as the interface between earth, air and water, fulfilling a variety of complex interdependent functions essential to life. Yet, human activities alter its ability to perform its job. We are producing tons of waste in our daily activities. The waste generated from various sources can be categorized into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste includes agricultural and animal waste like leaves, twigs, hay, dung, etc. These contribute directly to the fertility of the soil. Non-biodegradable waste cannot be easily degraded. Aluminium cans, plastics, glass, computer, mobile waste, that is, e-waste, are examples of non-biodegradable waste. Radioactive wastes produced during nuclear reactions take a long time to decay and are harmful to human beings. These directly contribute to soil pollution. Causes of soil pollution. Pollution in soil is associated with indiscriminate use of fertilizers, etc., deforestation, soil erosion, and dumping of large quantities of solid waste. Do you know more than 90% of hazardous waste is produced by chemical, petroleum, and metal-related industries and small businesses such as dry cleaners and gas stations. Natural land pollution occurs massively during earthquakes, landslides, hurricanes and floods. All cause hard-to-clean mess, which entails huge expenses and may sometimes take years to restore the affected area. Effects of soil pollution. Usually, with the right atmospheric conditions, air and water pollution disperse and disappear. What makes soil pollution such a problem? In agricultural sector, soil pollution reduces soil fertility, causes deposition of silt in tanks and reservoirs, reduces crop yield, and affects imbalance in soil, fauna and flora. In industrial sector, soil pollution directly affects the underground water as harmful chemicals enter the soil, leading to ecological imbalance. In urban areas, soil pollution results from clogging of drains. Drinking water sources get polluted. Environmental long-term effects of soil pollution. If contaminated soil is used to grow food, the land will usually produce lower yields than it would if it were not contaminated. To control soil pollution, we can limit construction in sensitive areas. In general, we would need less fertilizer and fewer pesticides if we could all adopt the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Biological methods of pest control can reduce the use of pesticides and thereby minimize soil pollution. Reusing of materials. Materials such as glass containers, plastic bags, paper, cloth, etc. can be reused at domestic levels rather than being disposed of, thereby reducing solid waste pollution. Reforesting. Control of land loss and soil erosion can be attempted through restoring forest and grass cover to check wastelands, soil erosion and floods. Soil conservation. There are several ways possible for soil conservation that can be achieved through agricultural practices and measures that can be implemented at home. Plant trees. Terracing is one of the very good methods of soil conservation. No-till farming is a way of growing crops without disturbing the soil through tillage. Contour ploughing helps in slowing the water runoff and prevents the soil from being washed away along the slope. Crop rotation helps in the improvement of soil structure and fertility. The maintenance of the most suitable value of pH is essential for the conservation of soil. Watering the soil along with the plants is a way to prevent soil erosion caused by wind. Salinity management. Organisms like earthworms and others benefiting the soil should be promoted. Planting of native crops is known to be beneficial for soil conservation.